So you can't be in the video naked.
Peace out, mofo.
Bye, Mr. No Pants. This is the wig that I'm putting on today. It's from the company ItsAWig. I got this from the local beauty supply store. They gave me $2 off because I took the wig right off the mannequin. Normally I wouldn't, but I really wanted this wig. I really wanted this color. They had other colors, but I didn't want the other colors. I wanted this color. So I just was like, fine, I'll just take it right off the mannequin. I'm only gonna wear it for 2 days this weekend. It'll be fine. Isn't she gorgeous? Gotta brush her out. I'm so excited. This color is exactly what I wanted. And she's straight, so I can put a little bit of heat on her when she starts to act up, inevitably. I've worked with synthetic wigs for a very long time. I know what to expect, so I don't have high hopes for her longevity, but she's gonna be a serve while she's here. Gorgeous. So long. Period. Birthday hair. Birthday hair. Because this is a synthetic unit, first of all, and already on its last leg, second of all, I'm not like installing, not doing any ball cap, not using any glue or tape to put it in, just using this Red by Kiss Style Fixer Lace Bond Spray. It says adhesive extreme hold. We'll see about that. This is my first time using this product, so I got this from the beauty supply store. For some reason, my beauty supply store is beefing with Even New York. I went in there looking for the TikTok viral Even spray, and she was like, "We don't carry Even." And I was like, "What? What beauty supply store doesn't carry Even? Like, what's going on? What happened? They used to carry Even. They don't anymore. I need the tea, sis. Why are you beefing with one of the most popular wig companies in the game right now? And also explain to me if that can be resolved, because it's really affecting me." Okay, so first, I am gonna put some makeup in the part. This is the cap construction, by the way. Minimal lace around the edge with hair, really small parting. That's fine. Like I said, y'all know I love a good synthetica. I am not new to this, I'm true to this, so I already know how it goes with synthetic units. I am under no delusions of how this is gonna go. So I'm just gonna use my True Complexion Contour Palette. You already know, Tried and True by Black Radiance. This is the holy grail. I'm gonna use the well-loved middle color and just take it inside first of the middle, and then I'm gonna just take it right on top. I'm gonna go back under, take it around the edges here. Just be patient. Don't use too much at one time, because you can always add more, but once it's on there, it's on there. And if it's too much, it's gonna look crazy. Because there is so little actual hair on the lace part for synthetic units, I just go ahead and cut it off without putting it on my head and like trying to match it exactly to my hairline like you would with a human hair wig. For a synthetic unit, my head is just gonna have to conform to whatever hairline their little machine pumped out. I will pull it down as far as need be, no shame. And just take your time, because I want to have as much lace with hair on it as possible to really sell the dream, sell the fantasy that the synthetica is serving. All right. let's put her on. Oh wait, let's take the card off first. It does have straps in the back, 1 comb, 2 combs up front. I am going to use the combs. I know you're not supposed to flip synthetic wigs, but here we are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 She is exactly who I thought she was. She is getting exactly what I thought she could. We gotta fix the sides. Flatten the top, but hold on. Woo! Don't play with her. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Come on, baby, don't play with it. Oh. Slaying it. Spend all day in it. Oh. Do something make me feel good. Do something make me feel good. First of all. What? Who? Said something? You? What? What was it? Huh? What? Huh? You called me? What was it you said? Hmm? Oh, sorry. No, I don't know her. Wait, hold on. My man got to see this. Babe!
Yeah.
Come look. Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Hold on. Because I want you to get the full effect. Okay. Come on, baby.
Oh shit.
You like it?
Yeah.
Do you really?
It's weird seeing pink.
It's
I
weird.
like it, but
You
yeah.
like it?
Yeah, you look so good.
Thank you, baby. Some cuts out. Because we're not doing, a full glue down, but we are definitely doing a spray glue install today. Whew. Child, not me even in view of the camera. Okay. We're definitely doing a spray install. Let's see how this is. First of all, I'm gonna just pull that all the way back, and then I'm just gonna. I'm tempted to put a tape on the corner here on the ear tabs on each side. I'm tempted. I'm thinking about it. I'm giving it some thought, some serious thought. What you think? But I don't want to have to sleep in this hair, because if I sleep in this hair, it's going to ruin it. I need to be able to, no matter my level of intoxication, sorry mom, that I will be able to just take this wig off tonight and pass out in my bed. Okay. Put that side down first. Reinstall the combs. Push that side down. Gonna have to re-pull that hair back, okay? Now to fix this side. Pull it down, pull it down. Definitely want to pull it down so that no black hair is showing, preferably. Like color on this side. No black hair. Readjust that comb. I'm talking real loud because I'm super concentrated. Okay. Alright. Pull the hair back. We're gonna tie this down. We're gonna call this round 1 because we're definitely gonna have to do a second pass on that ass. Ooh. Okay. I know everybody loves the elastic band now. I do too, but silk scarf is a classic. All right, we'll let that hold for a few minutes.
Watch the breakdown.
We're gonna wrap it down one last time since we've got the edges kind of worked out. They're not perfect. Synthetic edges never are, at least not for me. I'm just not great at them. Honestly, I'm not great at any kind of edges, but synthetic edges especially. Don't expect too much. Don't expect too much when it comes to me and synthetic edges. I'm just gonna wrap these down. Just gonna leave these wraps while I clean up the bathroom and put my jewelry on, and we'll be ready to go.